Why is the SoftPro Premier Upflow 3/4 inch ported water softener better than the standard 3/4 inch Fleck water softeners? The SoftPro Premier softener is a high-efficiency water softener that saves you up to 75% on salt and 64% on water over Fleck water softeners. That's an average savings of $220 per year compared to the standard downflow water softeners offered by other water treatment companies. A water softener that truly pays for itself. Comes with a better-than-average warranty, 7 years on the control valve and lifetime on the tanks, compared to Fleck water softener's standard 5-year warranty on the control valve and 10 years on the tanks. The SoftPro Premier Upflow water softener by Pura is the best choice for the average home with 3/4 inch plumbing. For more information and pricing, or if you're looking for an upflow high-efficiency 1-inch ported valve water softener for higher flow rates, please visit us at www.qualitywatertreatment.com.